Hi everyone. So do you like to take 20 SEO tools in just 5.99 per month? And do you like to know how to easily get backlinks which can rank your website? And do you like to know the way by which you can rank even without backlink? Then watch this video from starting to end. So I am Manoj Bharadwaj, digital marketer and entrepreneur, and welcome to my channel. Now, backlink. Before starting, I like to discuss two things. First about backlink, and second about the keyword. So, what are the keywords? The words on which you are trying to rank are keywords. Depends on your niche that what keyword shall you choose. But long tail keywords are better for every purpose, and medium tail purpose we recommend so that you can fulfill both your purposes. So you have understood the keywords. For example, bisect hosting is a keyword on which someone tries to rank, he can rank in UK and US because there people search for bisect hosting. So you have understood the keyword. Now, backlinks. Your website's link on any other website is backlink. It can be of two types: do follow or no follow. And you can make backlinks through raw links, generic keywords, branded keywords, and many more other. So how will you know that which keyword and which backlink will helpful for you? The answer is very simple. Instead of doing a lots of research, do research on your competitor. Identify your top 3 competitor and look that on which keyword which backlinks are helpful for ranking. The process has now very simple. Your competitor will work a lot to rank, and you will just do research on your competitor, top 3 competitor, and you will rank. Suppose your competitor have make XYZ keyword and 5 backlink on that, then research and find out that how you can do so to rank. Suppose on 5 backlink he will be ranking on XYZ keyword, then which from where he have taken backlink, research that and make backlink in the same way. Use the same keyword, same backlink, you will also rank. So this is the easiest way to rank. And in 2020, backlink are going to play vital role. However, the role of content is more, but backlink's role is also vital. So you need to focus on backlink, and advanced SEO depends upon only and only backlinks. So you will do research on your competitor and you will find out that which keyword and which backlinks on you need to work. It will save you a lots of time, efforts, money, and everything. Now it will save your time, effort, money. Suppose if you rank without backlinks, then it will save your time more. So how will you do? First, find out the keywords of your competitor on which the keyword difficulty is 0. Now, how will you know the keyword difficulty of that keyword? For that purpose, I have put an link in description. You can take tools, 20 tools for 599 per month, and you can use them very easily to get to know that on which keywords you don't need backlink. So this is very economical and time saving because you don't need any backlink. Yeah, it is possible. I am explaining to you, it is possible. And if you don't believe, you can check that keywords. On that keywords you will find out 3 4 5 websites are ranking. Then do the research that how many backlinks they have on those keywords. You will find that without any keyword, oh sorry, without any backlink on that keywords, they are ranking, so you can also rank. So it will save your time, effort, money, and many more things. So now let us explain, let us know about backlink. What are backlink actually in practical life? It will help you to understand the backlink more better. Suppose if you need to consult a doctor, what you will do, you will ask someone very faithful that which doctor will be good. He will recommend ABC and doctor, and you will go there, you will get benefit. In the same way, backlinks give faith to the Google that yes, this website is faithful because I am recommending. This is called do follow links. But if someone is giving no follow links, it means that he is not recommending to search engines that this website is faithful. This we call no follow. So try to take do follow backlinks every time. But yes, 30% of your backlinks shall be no follow. It will not allow Google to understand that you are doing these things artificially. It will look natural in this way. So this is why backlinks are vital. But you will tell that what about those keywords on which we don't need backlinks? Actually those links are ranking because there is no competitor, there is not much competition on that those keywords, and search volume is also not very high. Yeah, there are such volume but not too high. For example, 600 people per month, and there are some keywords on which if your website ranks, you can get even 3000 visits per day. So for those kinds of keywords you need backlink. Suppose without making backlink, without any investment, if you can rank and get 600 traffic per month, that is good. And it is not mandatory that you shall rank only on those keywords. You can use further more keywords of same kind on which you don't need backlink. So for one keyword you get 600, for another keyword you will rank, then you will get, suppose 100 for per month, you get 700 for per month. For third, you may get 200 per month. So it will 900 per month. So slowly in this way traffic will come. But if you need to get a lots of traffic in less time, you can invest on keywords, backlinks. And now the making backlink and selecting keywords is child's game for you, because all your competitor will do and you will rank. So that's all for today. From next video I will make videos in pieces so that it can be very helpful for you. So that's all for today, and do not forget to take 20 tools per month on 599. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.